Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this 1980s mom-inspired look in Dress to Impress. So this DTI tutorial is all about the iconic 1980s mom aesthetic with bold print, shoulder pads, and a whole lot of attitude. So let me show you the steps to create the look. So in here, for the hair, first I'm going to just go to the wavy hair category and put on this hair and use this color in here. And then I'm going to combine it with this other wavy hair and use the same color. Now for the outfits, I'm going to just go to the women's sections, and first I'm going to put on this top, toggle it into tight, and I'm going to wear this patterns in here, combine it with this top, use the same patterns also with the buttons. And for the shoe, I'm going to just grab this heels and make it all black, and I'm going to grab this biker short and use this pattern. So this is the pattern that I'm going to use also for the pants, and I'm going to grab this bow and toggle it into number 5, and use the same patterns like the top. Now as for the pants, I'm going to just grab this flare jeans and use the same patterns for the color, and let's remove the flower. Let me grab this necklace in here, and I'm going to change the color using this colors in here. And these earrings. And last one, I'm going to grab this belts in here and change the color into this color. Okay, now the look is done. So thank you so much for watching. This look perfect for themes like throwback, Y2K, momcore, comedic, or casual chic. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe for more DTI fits. Bye.